अस्सलामुअलैकुम। पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट के मोअज़्ज़ज़ ख़वातीनो हज़रात, आप सबको पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट में खुश आमदीद। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो चलते हैं PPSC टेस्ट की प्रिपरेशन की तरफ। आज के कुछ मज़ीद इम्पोर्टेंट इस्लामियत के मुतल्लिक MCQs को कवर करते हैं। द होली प्रॉफिट पीस बी अपॉन हिम covertly preached Islam for the first 3 years at the house of Hazrat Arqam Raziallahu Ta'ala anha in Makkah. Which surah of Holy Quran throws the light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animals? Surat Al-Ma'idah. Which is the second pillar of Islam? Salat. The literal meaning of words zakat are to grow or prosper. She was alive at the tragic incident of Karbala. Hazrat Salma Raziallahu Ta'ala anha. What do you understand by tahliq? Cutting of hairs. A person who has attention to offer only Hajj at Miqat is called Mufrad. What does mean by Hadi? Animal to be sacrificed. Maqbool Hajj means which is accepted. Mabrur Hajj means which is observed correctly. Name the term whose avoidance is rewarding, and although doing it isn't sin, yet it is a sort of vice. Makruhe Tanzini. What an authentic hadith is called? Sahih. Name the term on which acting upon isn't rewarding but is also not a sin if you don't act upon it. What is about it? Mubah. How many parts of each hadith are? Two parts. The part of each hadith are sanad and matan. When was fasting obligatory? Second Hijri. Who is the gatekeeper of hell? Malik. What was the real name of Imam Shafi rahmatullah alayh? Muhammad bin Adris. Which letter has mostly used after alif in the Holy Quran? Noon. How many surah of the Holy Quran start with the word Hamim? 7. How many surah of Holy Quran start with the word Sabbaha? 3. Hazrat Khatija Raziallahu Ta'ala anha was the first person to offer namaz amongst the Ummah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Khatija Raziallahu Ta'ala anha Ummul Mumineen received salutation from Allah. Hazrat Khatija Raziallahu Ta'ala anha was the only Ummul Mumineen who wasn't buried in Jannatul Baqi. What was the age of Hazrat Khatija Raziallahu Ta'ala anha when married to Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? 40 years. The Prophet whose nation was the last one to suffer the divine punishment was Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam. In the month of Rajab, the Arabs visit the grave of Hazrat Hud alayhi salam located in southern Arabia. Politus, on the directions of Roman governor, ordered the execution of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Bait-e Rizwan, also known as the Bait-e Shajrah, took place in 6th Hijri under the कीकर ट्री। ये थे आज के इस्लामियात की कुछ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs जो कि PPSC टेस्ट के हवाले से बहुत अहम है। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आज की ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए इन्फॉर्मेटिव रही होगी और इसी तरह की मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे YouTube चैनल पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ मौजूद नोटिफिकेशन के बटन पर क्लिक करके ऑल के बटन पर क्लिक करें ताकि कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो आपसे स्किप ना हो जाए और बने रहें पाकिस्तान जॉब अलर्ट के साथ PPSC टेस्ट को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। और इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मैं जल्द हाजिर होती हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।